Tips for Clickbank affiliates.
Clickbank is a well-known, reliable affiliate network. It is known as the best place to earn fast money as an affiliate. Clickbank's fee is very reasonable and the tools and services they provide are great. All new affiliates are recommended to join Clickbank to start their business. Clickbank deals with digital products which are downloadable on the internet. There is no requirement of any physical delivery. After you are registered with Clickbank as an affiliate, you can choose any product from the pool of available products to promote. There are more than 10,000 products currently available. The sales commission offered by the merchants on Clickbank is usually very high and affiliates can make 50% per sale. Thousands of affiliates have joined Clickbank and are earning an income on a regular basis. You shouldn't hesitate in joining Clickbank if you want your business to take off. Let me give you some tips while working with Clickbank. Promote your products in forums. Search for some forums, at least 3, that are related to your product with a high page ranking. Register on these forums and just start a discussion in the forum where maximum people are involved. Post your questions there or answer some questions of other members. Do not add any promotion text in the body of your posts. You are allowed to put your signature at the end of your post. Here is where you can put your name, your website link and your affiliate products link. When you become an active member of this forum, then you may get some traffic from these forums to your website. And you may know that when your website is getting the hits from some high-rank website, then the page rank of your website is also increased. In this way you will get a double advantage. One is the traffic and second is the higher page rank. This will ultimately result in more sales of the products you are promoting. Promote your products in emails. In this day and age, most everybody uses email to contact others. Your email may be personal, study-related, business-oriented, etc. But at the end of your email text you are allowed to write your signature. Don't neglect this signature. With your name, remember to add your affiliate link at the end. It means that with every email your affiliate links are advertised. If you send out 100 emails daily, it means 100 additional people are looking at your affiliate link every day. Try to expand your contact list. Use as many methods as you can to grab the email addresses of new people. Use online forums, chat forums, etc. to make new friends. Your email list must contain a minimum of a few hundred contacts. Do not spam. Don't send email to the people who don't know about you or who don't want to receive your emails. Otherwise your email will be blocked and you will lose your contacts. Your emails should always be interesting to get the reader's attention. Promote your products on a website. Most affiliates of Clickbank have their own website to promote their products. So it is recommended to upload your own website. Your website should be related to the products you are promoting. For example, if you are promoting some antivirus product, then your website contents must match this theme. Try to make your website clean and simple. Add your affiliate links in every page of your website. Don't put big ugly banners to advertise the products. Instead use 2 to 3 lines of text links to promote the Clickbank products. Conclusion. Clickbank is a popular affiliate network of digital products. You should start your business with Clickbank to become a successful affiliate. Try to use the forums, emails, and your website to promote your Clickbank products for better results. Remember, the fees of Clickbank are very reasonable and they offer a larger number of products to choose from. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.